Okay, we're going to demonstrate how smooth the PM1340-GT is. I'm going to take off 40 thousandths total inside diameter, 20 thousandths depth of cut. I'm going to creep up, and the knob's very smooth for engagement. You watch the gauge here, we can pop it right on zero. I'm making a 525 thousandths deep bore, boring up to a shoulder inside. You can hear how quiet the machine is. Right on the money. Back it off. Take another 40 thousandths. Not the engagement, apron engagement, nice and smooth and crisp. The detents are very nice. When you go to pop it on the for your soft stop, there's no hesitation. There's no force to have to overcome. It releases very smoothly. Again, right on the money. And again, kind of get a feel for how smooth the machine is overall. Stop.